and organised here. Gosh, my glasses are a bit dirty. Sorry, give me a minute. Ah, that's better. Hi, so welcome to my channel. I'm just here to pop in and give you a bit of a info dump on stuff that's been happening around here and some things that are coming up that I need to let you know about before I end up getting distracted and I forget. So life around here has been a bit hectic the last couple of weeks. Firstly, my oldest has moved out. He is now renting with a friend about an hour and 40 minutes away from here. So we've spent he only moved out 2 weeks ago. So it's been a lot of back and forth, driving, dropping things off and getting him settled. He also took one of our kitties with him. He took Luna because technically Luna belongs to Kobe. She was a birthday present. So he decided to take her with him. And so we're back to a one kitty household, which is really sad. Sorry, Bean's just at my feet here. We still have Beanie with us. He's not really that fussed, to be honest. Bean and Luna were friends. They got along okay. You know, they would play fight and they would chase each other around, but they definitely are not bonded cats. Bean, we had him for about 3 years before we got Luna. So they were, you know, acquaintances. She mostly lived in the downstairs area. He mostly hangs out up here with me. And so I don't think he's particularly fussed that she's gone. I seem to be more sad than he is. And I am Bean's world. So as long as I'm here in his life, there is nothing wrong. So he's perfectly happy. But yeah, it's been a bit of an adjustment to get used to only having one kitty in the house again and not having my oldest in the house anymore. So we've cleaned out, I'm in the process of cleaning out his room, and I'm shifting Noah, my youngest, into Kobe's room downstairs because it's about twice the size of the room that Noah has at the moment. So he'll be able to spread out a little bit more. And then once he's settled in downstairs, we're then going to change his room upstairs into more of a storage space. And yeah, so there's a lot of shuffling around of things happening here at the moment. It's been a bit hectic. So that's happening. Other things I have to mention to you as well. If you're following me on Instagram and Facebook, you probably have already seen these posts, but just in case you missed it, next year in September 2026, I'm organising a trip to Athens and Santorini. So I'm organising this through TrovaTrip. I know of a couple other artists that have done painting holidays and painting getaways through Trova. And so they approached me about a year ago and asked if I was interested. At the time, I couldn't, but I can now. So I'm trying to line it up for, I have lined it up to happen just before I have to go over to Italy to do a 2-week residency. So I wasn't originally going to go to Greece, but I only had like a limited time frame. So I had to fit something in either just before the retreat or just after the retreat. And because of the TrovaTrips, they're all scheduled and the itineraries are all worked out months and months in advance. There's only certain dates and times that you can plan the trip for. And after looking at a couple of different places in Italy and some trips to France and things like that, the only trip that's synced up with the trip that I was already taking is this particular trip to Athens and Santorini. And so that's what I've gone with, and I've organised that. So it's a 7-day retreat, and once, you know, we get there, TrovaTrip takes care of everything, all of the transports, and we go on a couple of day tours. We take a ferry over to Santorini. We stay there for 3 nights. We go to the beach. We do some dinners. It's a whole thing. So if you are interested in coming along to that, it's really, really important that you get your deposit and your information down as soon as you can, because this trip very much relies heavily on numbers and participation. So if we don't reach that minimum number mark, then the trip unfortunately won't be able to go ahead. So there's no point saying, oh, I might be interested in doing that later on. You kind of need to lock it in now, otherwise it's just not going to happen later on. So I'm going to put a link to the TrovaTrip information in the description. So if it's something that you think you might be looking towards doing, then I definitely encourage you to have a look at that information and at least put down your deposit just to secure a place, because the more deposits we get in place, the more likely it is that it's going to happen. And worst case scenario, if we don't get that minimum requirement of participants, then everyone just gets their money refunded. You don't lose out on anything. It's just, yeah, so don't worry about that. So that's happening. I also have some other exciting things that I have been twiddling away in the background, which I'm going to talk about as a bit of a sneak peek, because I haven't really mentioned this much on any other platform. I'm slowly starting to leak out some sneaky little things on Instagram, but this is going to be the first time anyone's heard of it. So buckle up. I am creating a new website subscription place. So let me backtrack a little bit and tell you how I got here. I, at the moment, have online classes available for a range of different things on a lot of different platforms. I have things on Skillshare. I have things on Teachable. I have a Patreon account. I have YouTube here. So I've got things everywhere. And for a while now, I've really struggled to keep up with everything, like updating the Pinterest, sorry, not Pinterest, well, I've got Pinterest as well, but updating the Patreon stuff, updating YouTube, making sure there's videos coming out, getting new classes organized. And I'm finding that I just can't give 100% to everything. And so for a little while now, I've been thinking of consolidating all of my online presence into one place. And so I've started doing that. So what I'm doing is I'm actually creating a new club that will be a subscription club. So you'll pay a monthly subscription similar to what you do for Patreon or Skillshare, except everything that I produce is going to be in this one place. So any new online classes that I create, any kind of demonstrations and video content is going to be on this subscription. And there's also going to be monthly challenges and a lot of stuff. So I've been building this in the background and I'm introducing it to you now. You are not able to sign up yet because it's still in production, but there is a landing page. And so for that landing page, you can pop on and you can get your email address into my newsletter list. And then once I'm ready to launch, which will hopefully be in about a month, an email will be sent out to everybody saying, hey, you can join. So what is going to be in this online subscription club? So it's called the Essential Mess Club. And so, sorry, it's called the Expressive Mess Club. Way to promote, Claire, way to promote. It's called the Expressive Mess Club. And it's going to contain lots and lots of videos, basically. Videos on color mixing, color palettes, painting expressively, painting with watercolor, painting with mixed media, basically everything that I've sort of created content-wise. Anything new is going to be put into this here. So I'm not putting any of the content that is already out there in the world is not going to be transferred into this. So if you have already purchased a Teachable class, you can still access that class. That's not going anywhere. It's still going to be on Teachable where you have it. Same with the Skillshare classes. They're not going anywhere. They're still going to be there. What I'm doing though from now on is I'm putting all of that content into one place. And so with a monthly subscription of just 25 Australian dollars, you will get access to all of any new content that I create, like online classes and painting tutorials. So I've spent the last couple of weeks backlogging and building up a bit of a content thing there. So there's a few videos there already, and I'm still recording and putting videos up. I want everything to be ready to go, and I want there to be quite a decent backlog of stuff on there before anyone signs up to it, so that I can then just trickle new content in without having to set up too much while people are already in there looking at stuff. But I'm really looking forward to doing this, and I'm really excited about the prospect of having just one place where everyone can just come and see my stuff instead of having, you know, people on Skillshare doing things and then people over on Teachable talking to me and then patrons and all this stuff, trying to keep track of everything and trying to get everything uploaded and some kind of regular sort of, you know, system happening. I'm putting it all in one place. So that's what I've been doing in the background. And that's why I've been a bit quiet here on YouTube and on a few other places as well, because I'm frantically in the background trying to get all of this done. I'm just one person. It's just me. So I am planning, recording, editing, doing all of that stuff, uploading, doing all the website background stuff. And so I'm trying to get all that done as fast as I can so that I can get you guys into this club and I can start pushing some great new tutorials and things at you. I've had a lot of requests in the past about things like basic color mixing and color theory, saw more detailed videos about, you know, how to paint a tree, you know, it's things that like you can't really create a whole class on, you know. So I'm sort of like, they're going to be like a little bite-sized, little choppy bite-sized videos on specific topics and things. There will be some longer format ones as well, but there's going to be a lot of information that you can just sort of come and go and have a look at. And once you become a member, every month you'll get access to everything in there. So yeah, I'm going to have, it's going to be 3 challenges every month. So there is a color palette challenge. So each month I'm going to provide you with a set of colors, and I'm going to show you how to mix those colors, and I'm going to create a painting with them and talk about, you know, why it's a great combination, and then encourage you to create those as well. There's going to be a paint my photo challenge. So every month I'm going to provide a reference photo of my immense backlog of reference photos that you can use as a reference. I'll paint an example of how I approach it, and then you guys can use it as you will. And there's also going to be a prompt of the month, which is basically a word. So every month there'll be a new word that is there to sort of inspire you, or to give you a bit of a prompt, a bit of a jump in a direction of creating something from it. Again, none of these, they're all no pressure challenges. They're just a bit of fun, but if you need like a bit of a boost or of inspiration, or a bit of an idea to, you know, push through and do something with that month, every month there's going to be a new one. So I'm really looking forward to doing those. I've already got, I've got one for April, and I'm working on the May one now, because again, I want to have a bit of a backlog there. And there's also going to be a community. That's the other thing I was going to talk about. There will be an exclusive Facebook group attached to this Expressive Mess Club. So anyone that joins the club will get access to the Facebook group. So you guys can create a bit of a community. You can show each other your pictures and comment on things, ask questions, all that kind of stuff. So that's what I've been doing, along with also teaching workshops. I was in Newcastle a few weeks ago. I'm heading to the Gold Coast next week for a week. And then, yeah, so this is all happening in between all of that stuff, and in between moving children out of rooms and into rooms, and going away on the boat, and Easter, and all this stuff. So busy. Yeah, so anyway, no painting video today because I haven't had time. And I'm kind of working on that other stuff at the moment. That's all in the background happening. And like I said, I really want to get this out to you all within the next month. So I'm sort of cracking down on getting that done. Yeah, and that's all I had to really talk about. So we have TrovaTrip to Greece next year. Link in the description. Have a look at it. The first 8 people do get an early bird discount as well. So that's another incentive to book in a bit earlier if you are interested in going along. It's going to be just a really casual get together of creatives. There's no set classes, but I will be doing demonstrations every single day, and I'll be doing a lot of, you know, going around to people, and you can ask me questions, and we'll all be painting and drawing together, and it's going to be very community based, and just a bunch of creative people scribbling around Athens and Santorini in the sunshine. So yeah, so hop onto that and pop your name down if you're interested. The Expressive Mess Club coming up. I'll pop a little trailer video here. It'll be the first sort of sneak peek of what it's going to look like, and you can watch that. And again, if you want to be informed when it opens up for subscriptions, I'll pop a link down below to the website, which has a sign up page for emails, you know, if you want to get an email. That's all. It's been good talking to you. Yeah, if you have any questions, just pop a comment below, and hopefully I will see you in the Expressive Mess Club soon when it's ready. Okay, that's all. Bye.